Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we will be covering how to withdraw funds from the e-wallet. The first thing we need to do is we need to make sure we are in the dashboard. Go ahead and click on view e-wallet and you will see the available balance, current balance. Make sure you go ahead and you click on new withdrawal request. And there are certain things that you need to understand. If you did load the money within the last 7 days or so or less, you will get a full refund. Nothing additional will be charged. If it's after that, then the processing fee and the value added tax will be charged onto those. Refund process can take up to 45 business days. The refund amount might differ due to exchange rate, so this is another thing that may be affecting the amount. If you are doing to a bank account, you will need to enter the details. We did use a credit card, so I'm gonna just go ahead and process that. You're gonna also receive a OTP code within your email. So you can open your email, check the OTP code, and put that in to go ahead and start processing that refund. Once you are done verifying, you will be in here. The refund request has been sent. You will be notified if there are any updates to the request. So the request has been submitted. Again, let's go back to the dashboard and we can see over here the amount has been deducted, and you will not see the same amount anymore. You can go ahead and click back, and they will show you. So once it is processed, you will also see it showing it up over here. If you want to check from a particular date, or maybe you want to double check whether how many amounts you actually put in the past and what are the amounts and the refund amounts and everything like that, you can see that all into the transactions over here. Jazakallah khair for joining. We hope this video is beneficial to you to processing the refund. So as you can see again over here, available balance, current balance, it is different. Jazakallah khair for joining. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.